Here, following are the values of import of raw material and export of finished product in suitable unit. Export, we have given here data. Export, these values are given. Import, these values we have given. Now we have to calculate coefficient of correlation between import and export values. So we have to denote export by X and import by Y in solution. So we can write here X values 10, 11, 14, again 14, 20, 22, 16, 12, 15 and 13. Here import values 12, 14, 15, 16, 21, 26, 21, 15, 16 and 14. So our formula is coefficient of correlations. Formula is R is equal to summation of xy minus n into x bar y bar divided by under root of summation x square minus n into x bar square. Okay, x bar square. In another bracket we write summation of y square minus n into y bar square. Okay, this is the formula of R, means coefficient of correlation. Now what we have given in this formula, xy and summation of these x bar y bar, x square, x bar square, y square and y bar square. For this we have to make column for xy. Okay, for this we have to make column for x square and y square. Now we make column x square, y square and xy. Okay, then summation of x square is 100, means this 10 square is 100, 11 square is 121, 14 square is 196, again 196, 400, 20 square is 400, 484, 256, 144, 225, 169. Y square means 12 square is 144, 196, 225, 256, 441, 676, means 26 square is 676, again 441, means 21 square is 441, then 15 square is 225, then 256 and again here 196. Okay, then multiplication of x into y, 10 into 12, how much? 120, 11 into 14, 154, 14 into 50, 210, 224, 420, 572, 336, 180, 240 and 182. Okay, so for this we have to find first x bar and y bar. Okay, I find here x bar. Formula of x bar is summation of xi divided by n, and xi summation किती येतं? We can calculate here xi means addition of this is 147. So we write here 147 divided by number of observation is how much? This is 10 observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So we get x bar is 14.7. Now find y bar. Y bar is equal to summation of y divided by n. Now make summation of this column. This summation is 170. Okay, addition of this is 170. So 170 divided by 10 we get 17. Okay, now put values of this formula is equals to this formula, summation xy summation of this column, make the summation addition means 120 plus 154 plus 210 plus add all this value, we get the addition of this is 2638. Okay, now 2638 put here minus n is 10 and x bar is 14.7 into y bar is 17. Okay, in below line means in numerator we can write summation x square, and summation of x square is we didn't make, now we make addition of x square column. So this column addition is 2291. Okay, then 2291 minus 10 into x bar square. X bar square is 14.7 square. Bracket completed. We write here in bracket. In next column summation y bar y square. So summation y square addition of summation y square is 3056. Okay, 3056. So 3056 minus 10 into y bar is 17 square. Okay, now calculate. So add, multiply first time this and subtract from this. Okay, then we get 139 this value, and make this square and multiply to 10 and subtract from this value. So we get here make 14.7 square, multiply 10. Okay, and 20 minus from this value 2291 minus answer of this. So we get here 130.1, and this is in multiplication, so we can multiply again 17 square multiplied by 10, 17 square multiplied by 10 and subtract from this value, that we get 166. So multiply this and find root of this, and we get here multiply means how much, 139 divided by multiplication of this, whatever we get, and find the square root of this. Okay, so we get the answer here. I write here answer 0.9458. This is the answer. Okay.